Ladies and gentlemen, this video will help you to get rid of the unwanted extension called SysKey. This particular extension is able to hijack the default search engine of your browser. What happens is that when you submit some particular search queries through Google search, the results instead are redirected through websearches.club. So people are not really happy with such changes of their browser, and they want to get back to Google as the default search engine. And by the way, no matter what search queries you provide, the results are still delivered by websearches.club. Now, how to fix this issue? I also urge you to remove this extension because it may spy on your browsing activities. So go to the menu, click on More Tools and Extensions. You need to look for this particular extension, SysKey. You may deactivate and remove it from the list. Now we may check when we submit some query. The results are again delivered by Google, which is good. Now, I would also recommend that you perform the additional checkup of your Mac with a Combo Cleaner antivirus that you may get on the page combocleaner.com. So download the software, install the program and start scanning your Mac with this application. You will need to wait until it updates the antivirus database, and you will need to click on Start Combo Scan in order to begin the free research of your Mac computer. And at the end of scan, the detailed report will be provided. This is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. After the scanning is completed, you will see the detailed report about the status of your Mac. You may go to the antivirus area and click on Review Results. The antivirus will give the total number of threats, and to review them, click here. Now, the program will show you the name of each specific threat, and what's very important, it will also show you its exact location. So what you can do is to click on this icon, this button that says Show in Finder. So it will show you its location in Finder, and you may remove each specific threat manually one at a time. So this is the free manual approach to deleting threads from your Mac computer. And once all these threads are deleted manually, the problems with your Mac should be fixed. Or you may consider deleting these threads automatically. However, this can be done only with the premium version of the program. Thanks for watching.